Om Namah Shivaya, the ancient mantra that can transform your mind. 5 syllables encompassing the existence of the 5 dominant natural elements. 5 syllables which most simply enable every individual chanting it with utter skepticism to experience a divine union with the lost home of the soul that our soul roots from. What if peace was just one sound away? What if clarity didn't come from the outside world but from within you? There is a mantra repeated for thousands of years across temples, mountains, and silent minds. A mantra connected to the Lord Shiva, but not limited to religion. A mantra that doesn't ask you to believe, only to experience. Om Namah Shivaya. 5 most simple syllables, yet within them a universe of stillness exists. Tonight, you don't need to do anything. Just listen and allow the sound to work within you. Now, think about this. When you reach a serene natural scenario, be it in the mountains, be it in the seashore or the jungle, or any natural escapade that provides you calm, doesn't convey the very same feeling of content to everyone around you. You personally start connecting to an energy source that's just everywhere, like oxygen. But you breathe in the most while you're running out of breath. The phrase Om Namah Shivaya is often translated as I bow to you, Lord Shiva. But it means going far deeper. Om, the sound that exists as the existence itself. The vibration from which all creation began. Namah, to bow, to surrender, to let go of ego. Shivaya, not just Shiva as a deity, but Shiva as consciousness, pure awareness, stillness beyond chaos. So when you say Om Namah Shivaya, you are not worshipping something outside. You are returning to something inside. The deeper a version of yourself that has always been there. If we think a bit more consciously about the concepts of life and death, we can see a stark contrast which is very subtle yet very hard-binded. Whenever a baby is born, that baby is born with a complete spine, and yet that baby, that infant, that newborn is unable to lift its neck itself. While growing up steadily and gradually, this baby learns how to hold the spine still. In Hindu mythology and ancient scriptures, we find the concept of Shiva and Shava. Where Shiva is the living essence of the human body and Shava is the condition when the Shiv leaves from your body. And a dead body lies in front, a vessel for the soul that has finally connected with the ultimate source of everything. Have you ever noticed how your mind rarely stays still? Thoughts jumping from past to future, regret, worries, fear, constant noise. Now imagine this. Instead of fighting your thoughts, you give your mind a rhythm, a sound, a pattern. Om Namah Shivaya. Slow. Om Namah Shivaya. Steady. Om Namah Shivaya. Repeating. Om Namah Shivaya. What happens? Your breathing slows down. Your heart rate settles. Your thoughts begin to space out. Not because you forced them to stop, but because the mind found something better to hold on to. This is the power of repetition, not control, but a gentle guidance for the soul to find its source. Modern science explains something ancient, something sages, munis, rishis already knew. When you repeat a sound, your brain begins to sync with it. Neural patterns slow down, stress hormones reduce. Your body shifts from fight mode to rest mode. This is called the parasympathetic state. But you don't need to remember that. All you need to feel is this: calm, stillness, presence. And the more you repeat the mantra, the deeper that calm becomes. In ancient texts, Shiva is not just a god. He is the part of the trio which protects, creates, destroys, and keeps the balance of creation destruction that we call life on earth. life in itself, beyond the boundaries of space, beyond the boundaries of the great expanding bubble created through a single sound. Shiva is the destroyer, but not in the negative way the word destroyer resonates. He destroys illusion. He destroys ego. He destroys attachment, the things that create suffering. When you chant Om Namah Shivaya, you are inviting that energy into your life. Not destruction, but transformation. Letting go of what no longer serves you and making peace for clarity. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath and slowly say Om Namah Shivaya. Feel the vibration in your chest. Feel the vibration as it resonates from your throat, your uvula, to the places behind your ear. As it travels in a rapid yet subtle resonance like the rippling of a pond. It reaches the back of your brain. It reaches every part of your body, in your throat, in your mind, in your existence. Now, repeat it again. Om Namah Shivaya. And again. Om Namah Shivaya. Notice something different in your mind. How your thoughts begin to soften, how your body starts relaxing. Time slows down. You are no longer rushing. You are no longer chasing. You are simply here. And in that moment, there is peace, for there is a stillness in that chaotic mind of yours. You don't need a temple. You don't need extensive and expensive rituals. You only need a few minutes. Morning, before your day begins. Night, before you sleep. Or even in the middle of that relentless chaos, when stress rises. Pause. Breathe and repeat. Namah Shivaya. Let it anchor you. Let it reset you. Let it remind you that calm is always available. In a world that never stops moving, stillness becomes rare. But it is never lost. It is always within you, waiting to be remembered. And sometimes all it takes is a sound. Om Namah Shivaya. If this brought you even a moment of peace, carry it with you and come back to it whenever you need, because the greatest power is not outside, it is within you. Sometimes the answer isn't louder effort, it's deeper silence that resides within you.